Hey guys, in this video I would like to share with you some tips and tricks that will help you to determine if your competitors or potential competitors are doing something illegal by manipulating their reviews. You don't want to get in the situation when you brought the product and start launching it, and all of a sudden you realize that your competitors are gaining huge amount of reviews. So please stay tuned and learn these tricks. So let's start with Amazon.com. So here, let's just look up some product here. So I can see what might be selling. Let's say we're gonna do the egg holders, and we want to know. So what our competitors are doing, how are they getting their reviews, are they manipulating anything? So I'm pretty sure none of you would like to go in a niche where some crazy shit from China going on, so people getting fake reviews, and you're gonna bring your product and you won't be able to compete with them because they're not doing everything quite legal. So here's a tool that I would like to show with you. It's completely free. It's called Fakespot. You just go to fakespot.com and you can see here. Actually, on this page, because I already installed the Chrome extension, it doesn't show here to install one, but it's just gonna go somewhere in here. You're gonna just press install on Chrome extension, and then when you go to Amazon.com, you can see it does its analysis here, right? So you see there's like grades here. This one gets F. This one you need to run it manually. This one, for example, gives A, and so on and so forth. So let's just open up this one here. All right, here. So you see it gets a grade F. So we can just click on that, reanalyze the reviews, and just double check what's happening here. It's reanalyze, so we're gonna press on reanalyzing, so it's gonna take about like 20 seconds and stuff like that, and then you will be able to see what's happening here. Usually the poor grades associated with something like a review manipulation, so how the system detects that, so it just sees like a sharp jump in the growth of reviews all of a sudden. So that usually means there's something not really legal going on in there. Sometimes you can see like all of a sudden in a couple of days people can get like 300 reviews. So in that case, I wouldn't even consider that product, right? So while this one is loading, I just want to to show you some other trick that I learned. So for that trick, you will need to subscribe to the application called Helium 10 that I love. In my previous videos, I was talking about Viral Launch, but comparing these two tools, I see way more value in Helium 10. It's a great tool. I love it. I highly recommend you guys. Yeah, it's so much valuable information. So in this tool, you can, well, you have to click on the product first. Let's just find why I don't want to analyze the F1 because I know the reviews might be fake. So let's go to something that gets A mark here, right? So and he has 2,221 reviews. So we want to know like what is so good he's doing, what people really love, on what we can improve, right? So what is his downside? Reviews are very valuable in case you want to see what you can do, what you can improve on. This example, I wouldn't say it's the greatest niche to go in. Don't go here. You can see 2,221 reviews here. It will be impossible to compete with this guy unless you're gonna maybe come up with something different, like for example selling plastic egg trays. Not really worth it. So he gets A. So the thing as I was talking about is called Review Insight. So Helium 10 allows you to download some reviews and get some valuable information. So for example, we want to know what is so good uh, guy is doing, and what we have to make sure when we negotiate with suppliers we have in our products, right? So we're gonna just press on extract reviews. So it's gonna download all the reviews here. You can see it's just impossible to read through all the 2,000 reviews. Will take a lot of time. You're more than welcome to do that, but it's just too much time. So here we can just narrow down our searches here. Oh, I can see he has different review counts here. What that mean? He probably has a variation on his listing. Yes, that's right. So he has 14, 18, 21x. So different tools. Also, that tool is very helpful for you to find out on which products he makes most of the money. Because like you don't know like if it's 14 egg or 18 egg or 18 egg 2-pack is selling the best, or maybe even 21. So in that tool we can see which one is actually getting the most of reviews. So you can see size 21 egg got 179 reviews, and size 14 has 120 reviews. So the review share 54 to 36. So probably you want to look at 21 egg, because that one seemed to be selling the best based on the amount of reviews it's getting. So that's one tip I want to share with you. Another tip is review analysis. So here, so when you go to the review analysis, you can see there's some words that I keep repeating in different customer reviews, right? So for example, you can see in the fridge, see how many you can, very sturdy. So you can see people pay attention to how sturdy the material is. So you can click on it and you can see easily see how many X you have, very sturdy, helps keep fridge organized. Great product, very sturdy. The construction is very sturdy, and like the way they stack in the fridge. I'm sure she will love them. Plastic is very sturdy. Okay, anyway, so you can see the point here. So having a sturdy product is extremely valuable and important here, right? So when you bring your own product and you discuss with your suppliers, make sure your product is sturdy, right? So that's just an obvious thing I can see. And you can also, when you write your bullet points, make sure you write down that, right? So maybe in the second bullet point, just mention that this product is very sturdy, it's strong, right? So that people know that it's gonna meet their demands, right? So because people, you can see they mentioned it 14 times, right? So it means it's very important for them. Egg from love this in my fridge, works great. Large X. So you can see large X says I buy a large X from the grocery stores and they don't fit. Okay, works great, doesn't hold 14X. I hold large X. Oh, it does hold, sorry. It does hold. Okay, so you can see people also appreciate when they can fit large X in a tray, right? So maybe other competitors, they have smaller trays, so nothing fits in them. So you can also mention it in your bullet point saying that, listen, I have a product for you that is very sturdy. It fits a large X. So when people read it, they can see the value in there, right? So it's just, I'm not doing a deep analysis here, just giving you a brief overview of what Helium 10 is allowing you to see when you read the reviews. You can extract a lot of valuable information from that. Anyways, let's go back to our analysis of the product that got F mark on Fakespot.com. So let's see what else he carries here. So he has 61 products. So he got C overall for all his products. So A, C, C. So you can see that some of the products getting A, some of the products getting C. So another F. So you can see this guy not always doing everything fair, right? So you can see there's quite a few F's here I can see. So there's a way he gets his reviews not quite legally, or just does some sort of initiative in return for reviews, right? That's another thing to consider when you getting in some niche. This niche, I will repeat myself, is very competitive. Wouldn't recommend you to get into that. So you can see 27, 9, 12, right? So lots of reviews. So, but if you find another niche which is less competitive, and you can just download the reviews from your competitors, right, and just get an idea on what people are looking for, and improve on that, and make a better product. Um, One more thing in helium 10 I can show you, so we can just run an X-ray and also look at some review trends. Review trends is another cool thing that helium 10 allows you to see. There should be a review chart as well. Oh yeah, you click like that, exactly. So you click on that product and you can see here, uh, you can go all the time, right? So you can see he started selling 2017. It's not exact date when he started to sell, it's just a date when helium 10 started to pull some information from there. But going on the other topic here, right? So when you see the products that have been established 3, 4, 5 years old on Amazon, will be very hard to compete with them and take their market share, right? So that's another like a red flag here I can see right now. But looking at his reviews here, you can see some spikes here. So July 23rd, he has already 30 reviews, 31, and all of a sudden, like, look, just July 19, he has 30 reviews, and then August 2nd, he has 515. How is that hell is possible? It's not possible to have it like done by using like legal methods. Like there's no way. So you can see there's something crazy going on, and that's what I'm talking about. That reviews can tell you a lot of stuff, and you can see review velocity too. So you can see it's 953 reviews. This seller gained in just 30 days. So you see it's just a change in review count over the last 30 days. This is just showing me that there's something illegal going on in this niche, and I really wouldn't even consider that niche to be getting in. Hey guys, if you found value in this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave the comment below. I'll be happy to answer any question you have, and I'll try to make videos more often. I didn't have time in the recently, but I'll try to post shorter videos and share with you the tricks that I learned. Thank you.